In August 2024, one of the largest solar installers in the US, SunPower, filed for bankruptcy. Just a few months later, Texas Solar followed suit in November. These are not isolated cases, and they won't be the last. The solar industry is going through a harsh reckoning, with more companies likely to vanish until the market finds its balance. One of the root causes? The deceptive solar leasing model that has taken deep root in the industry. This model is eroding the trust and financial benefits of end users, creating a cycle that harms everyone involved. Let's break it down. Imagine a rooftop solar system that's genuinely worth $30,000. Through this leasing model, its value is often inflated to $100,000 or more. Why? To cover the cut for the financing company, which might take $50,000, and the hefty commissions for salespeople up to $20,000. In some cases, unscrupulous door-to-door sales reps even forge thousands of fake homeowner signatures to push these deals through. The worst part? Homeowners often unknowingly sign contracts with entirely different companies than the salespeople they met. The nightmare begins when homeowners try to sell their property. They're blindsided by the lease agreement, which requires them to pay off the inflated $100,000 balance upfront before they can proceed with the sale. This turns what should have been an eco-friendly investment into a crushing financial burden. But how does a solar lease actually work? And more importantly, how can you avoid falling into this trap? Stick with me, I'll break it down step by step. A solar lease is an agreement where a homeowner or business allows a solar company to install solar panels on their property in exchange for a fixed monthly payment. The solar company typically owns, maintains, and monitors the system, while the lessee property owner benefits from the electricity produced by the panels. Key features of a solar lease: no upfront costs. Most solar leases require little to no initial investment, making it an attractive option for those who want solar power without the high upfront cost. Fixed monthly payments. The property owner pays a predetermined amount each month, which is often less than their previous utility bills. System ownership. The leasing company retains ownership of the solar panels and handles maintenance, repairs, and insurance. Energy savings. The lessee uses the solar energy produced to lower their electricity bill, but they don't own the system. Pros: low or no upfront cost, no maintenance or repair responsibilities, immediate energy savings. Cons: no ownership of the system, meaning you don't qualify for tax credits or incentives. Long-term payments may outweigh potential savings. Transferring a lease can be tricky if you sell your property. Solar leases are ideal for people who want renewable energy benefits without the burden of system ownership or maintenance. While solar leases can be a legitimate way to access renewable energy, there are some scams and predatory practices to watch out for. Here are common scams and risks associated with solar leases. 1. Exaggerated savings promises. The scam. Salespeople may promise unrealistically high savings on electricity bills to entice customers into signing a lease. How to avoid? Ask for a detailed, transparent cost-benefit analysis and verify the projected savings with a trusted third party. 2. Hidden fees and escalating payments. The scam. Some solar leases include hidden fees or payment escalation clauses that increase your monthly payments over time, eroding any potential savings. How to avoid? Read the lease agreement thoroughly and confirm whether payments are fixed or subject to escalation. Consult a lawyer if necessary. 3. Long-term contracts with no flexibility. The scam. Solar lease contracts often last 20 to 25 years, making it difficult or costly to exit if you sell your property or no longer want the system. How to avoid? Check the terms for transferring the lease to a new homeowner or for early termination fees. 4. Overpriced leases. The scam. Some companies charge far more for the lease than the actual cost of the solar system over its lifetime, leaving you with minimal savings or even higher costs. A typical 10 kilowatts solar system costs around $30,000. The leasing company may charge you $100,000 over 30 years. The sales commission and financial cost can be far more than the system cost. How to avoid? Compare the lease costs to the cost of purchasing the system outright or financing it through a loan. 5. Aggressive door-to-door sales tactics, the scam. Some companies use high-pressure sales tactics to rush customers into signing contracts without proper consideration or research. How to avoid? Take your time to review the offer and don't sign anything during the first meeting. 6. Misrepresentation of incentives, the scam. Scammers may falsely claim you're eligible for federal or state tax incentives when, in fact, those benefits go to the leasing company, not you. How to avoid? Verify who receives the tax credits or rebates. Usually, it's the system owner, the leasing company. 7. Poor system performance, the scam. Some lease systems may be poorly designed, installed, or maintained, resulting in underperformance and less energy production than promised. How to avoid? Choose a reputable company with a track record of reliable installations and maintenance. 8. Misleading free solar offers, the scam. Some companies advertise free solar panels when in reality, you're signing a lease agreement with ongoing payments. How to avoid? Understand that free often refers to no upfront cost, not the absence of monthly payments. 9. Difficulty selling your property, the scam. If the new homeowner doesn't want to take over the solar lease, you could be stuck with penalties or a costly buyout. How to avoid? Confirm that the lease is transferable and check if there are any fees involved in transferring it. 10. Fraudulent companies, the scam. Some scammers create fake solar companies, take your money, and disappear without installing the system or providing proper support. How to avoid? Verify the company's licensing, reputation, and reviews. Check with your local Better Business Bureau or other consumer protection organizations. General tips to avoid scams: research multiple companies and compare offers. Read the fine print and ask questions. Consult a solar expert or lawyer before signing any contract. Verify claims about savings, incentives, and system ownership. Being cautious and well-informed will help you avoid common pitfalls in solar leases.